Hi, in this video, I am going to take you through the introduction to Microsoft Project 2013. This is the first part of a series of video I'm going to post so that you can have a basic understanding and knowledge of the Microsoft Project 2013. So what are we going to be seeing in all these videos? The first one is going to be a quick start guide, followed by how we can make a project schedule using the MSProject, and then also how we can set a project cost using the same application. And finally, we are going to take a small project work that we can use to apply the theory learned so far throughout the whole or all the tutorials. To begin with, we will open the application. So when you open it, it will look like this first, and you have here blank project. So I click on blank projects and it opened for me the interface that I will see before I can start putting my tasks or starting the scheduling. Now when I come here, the first thing that I want to do is to make some basic settings, and to do that I go to one of the main ribbons here. I have here 6 ribbons. So I take project, and under the project I'll go to change working time, and here I can change the working time and then also input some exceptional days, for instance holidays. But before I begin to do that, I would like to create a specific calendar for my project. So I click on create new calendar, and since my project is about renovation, I will name my calendar renovation, and I click on create new base calendar and I click on OK. But then if I assume that my project started on 1st of December, then I could clearly see that there are some exceptional days. And if this project is carried out in a country like Finland, for instance, I have some days that are holidays. For instance, the 6th of December, that is the Independence Day, and the 26th of December also is a holiday. So what I am going to do here now is to put these days into the system as non-working days, because as you can see clearly here, only the weekends are non-working days. And I want to let my program understand that there are some other days that all those who are working on my project, they are not going to come to work. So the first one is Independence Day. So I just put it there, and Independence Day, and that is 6th of December and end on 6th of December also. Then the second day is the day after the Christmas, since the Christmas fall on Sunday, but the 26th is a holiday in Finland. So you can add this, and after that you click on OK. But then before I quit this interface, I also want to check something very important. I click on options, and here we can all clearly see the default start time or the default end time. That is a normal working day. So if your normal working day is not starting at 8 o'clock, you can change it here. It can be 9, 9, 8, 9:30, etc. Or you can also change the default ending time. But the system is giving me this as a default start time and default end time. Then you can also see the number of hours per day and the number of hours per week. When I'm done with all this, I click on OK. Then I come here again, and I'm satisfied with all these settings here, and I click on OK. Before I begin with the scheduling, I would like to go to another menu here, that is project information. And the main things I want to do here is to change the calendar from the standard to renovation. Then I am working with my own calendar, and I also want to change the start dates of the project. And as you can see here, the finish date is not activated because it is recommended that we change only the start date, and the program itself will calculate the number of days the project is taking and give you the finish date. Then I assume that my project is beginning on the 1st of December 2016. That is my start date. Then I click on OK. Now I am all set to go to the next level.